Welcome! Fresh avocados have arrived to begin our beauty cream journey. Every avocado is carefully washed and cleaned for maximum purity.
Now the seeds are removed, leaving only the nutritious avocado goodness.
The creamy avocado pulp is collected for our skincare formula.
The avocado is becoming silky smooth and ready for beauty care. Natural skincare ingredients are added to nourish and moisturize skin.
Safe cosmetic ingredients are added to keep the cream fresh for up to 2 years. Everything is blended into a rich, silky beauty cream. Every batch is tested to ensure perfect quality and safety.
Our beautiful avocado cream is now being packaged.
And now our avocado beauty cream is ready for customers around the world. And now it's time to enjoy our avocado beauty cream. Soft, smooth, healthy-looking skin with the goodness of avocado.